How to use aloe vera for pimples and scars, marks on face. Now that you know easy remedy to use aloe vera for pimples, there is another problem that is associated with pimples, and that is the scars and dark spots that are left behind when the pimples are healed. Therefore, this treatment will definitely heal the scars and marks faster with continuous usage. This treatment has to be applied every night before going to bed. This will fade the acne marks. Even the dark and brown patches will also be faded. You will need aloe vera, lemon juice. Procedure: you will need to take 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel in a small plate or a bowl. Add half teaspoonful of lemon juice. Mix with using a spoon. You will notice that after mixing the lemon juice, the aloe vera gel has become little loose in the consistency, more like a gel lotion. Clean your face and apply this mixture on the face. Then leave this on your face for overnight. Wash the face in the morning with normal water. There is another treatment with aloe vera for pimples, where you can also increase the efficiency of aloe vera by adding some turmeric powder in it. Turmeric powder is a very popular and commonly used antibiotic and antibacterial home product. See here more on how to use turmeric for pimples. Take some aloe vera gel, around half teaspoonful will be fine. Add 2 pinches of turmeric powder in it. Mix this well so that the turmeric and aloe vera can get mixed up thoroughly. Using clean fingers, apply this mixture over the pimples. Leave this overnight and wash your face in the morning using a gentle face cleanser.